Leland, come in here, son. This is our fugitive for the day. Colin, aka Scummy Morrison.
This guy looks really tweaked out, brother.
Let's get him. Yeah, I think
all
it's
the tweakers live down
yeah,
here.
this is ice.
Shacks.
This is Ice Fest over here, I tell you.
Brother, have you seen this guy? Colin Morrison.
No, he's a
AKA
fugitive.
He's a fugitive at large, brother.
No, haven't seen him.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, thank you for your help, brother. God bless. Open up! You seen this guy? You heard he's been hanging around your house. No,
Don't lie to us,
Don't
bro.
lie to me.
He's an arrestee. He's been jumping bail, bro. Big time show-offs over here, huh, bro?
I haven't seen him in months.
Oh, really, huh?
Hey, what's up, guys? There he is!
Don't resist! Don't resist me! Don't resist me! Come on. Got him, dog. We got him! Good, clean bust.
Thought you were gonna get away from this, huh?
In there. In the car.
Don't want to make court appointments, huh?
Where are you guys? Get out of here, man.
I thought you were one of them X Games hot shots. What happened to that deal?
Whatever, bro.
No, it ain't whatever, man.
You guys are funny, bro! What are you gonna do, man? Cut the camera! Cut the camera!